Donterecords Entertainment, YouTube, arrangement representing. Like and share, subscribe. Mad out. What's up, what's up? Just give me the fire red. Yo, 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 yo. You know, it's arrangement representing live at Donterecords for Donterecords Entertainment on YouTube. You don't know my viewers and my subscribers. Saturday night, I take a little walk through Stockbrook Park, you know what I mean, to capture a few of the fireworks. You don't know, Bonfire Night. So let us know if you guys were out on Saturday night, Bonfire Night. See that, my viewers and my subscribers. Catch that right on time to mad thing. Donterecords Entertainment, YouTube. And if you guys capture some of the lovely fireworks happenings, comment in the comment section. Like and share. Mad. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, see it ya? Don't know him. Derby, UK, fireworks, Donterecords Entertainment for YouTube, you know. Don't know, mad thing. You hear that? See me? That's outside I try to capture some fireworks, you know what I mean? Yeah man, don't know. Bonfire night them say, you know. See me I say? Be happenings tonight. Mad thing. See things, I see all going. Fireworks. Fireworks settings, you know, man. Fireworks settings. Yeah, my viewers and my subscribers, see that? Mad. Stockbrook Park, is it man? You know what I mean? We're just listening to the sound of the fireworks. So now I say UK Derby, you know? So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, you know what I mean? Yeah man. It's what I say, Bonfire Night. I'm just at Stockbrook Park now. It's what I say, be fireworks. It's what stay posted, like and share. Out, mad. Derby, UK. Donterecords, I capture this. You see me? Yeah, man. See what I'm doing? Derby, UK. Happenings. See that one there, guys, subscribe. Bonfire night, you know? Yeah, man, I'm up on Stockbrook Park now. You see? From park to park. So the thing said. Mad. See that, my viewers and my subscribers. Catch that right on time too. Mad thing. Dante Records Entertainment, YouTube. So do remember to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube at Dante Records. Like and share. Mad. See where that over there, see? Everywhere, yo. See that? Mad thing. So I go on over there to my viewers and my subscribers. It's not a joke thing. See me? Yeah man, happenings everywhere. My viewers and my subscribers, you can hear that. Yeah man, I'm there at the park. You see me? I go through the park, you see me? See that? That I go on over there, so you see me? Yeah man, hear that? See there? You see me? Yeah, man, I go through the park, you don't know, look. Through the park where I go. Don't know, Bonfire Night. Rainfall and everything. So yes my viewers and my subscribers, is it? You know what I mean? Bonfire Night tonight, is what I say, be fireworks, is it? Yeah man, stay posted, Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. Like and share, mad. You hear that? See that? They are good distance still, but you must can hear that. That's the thing set, you know. Outside. Derby, UK, you know. You hear that? All through the tree. Mad thing. I want a mad thing out here, you see me? We're there, Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube, you see me? Like and share. If you do enjoy watching this video, please remember to tell a friend to tell a friend. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. We'll be giving you a lot more content, lot more videos on this channel. Right about now, at the fireworks, Bonfire Night. You don't know, November the 5th. Out, mad. So yes my viewers and my subscriber, as you guys can see, you must have watched the video. If you watched the video to the end, I would like to say thank you very much, you know what I mean? And do remember to comment in the comment section and let us know if you were out on Saturday night and if you got any of the happenings of the fireworks celebration. You know what I mean? Like and share, you know what I mean? Share this video with your friends, your family, and ask them the same thing if they were out on Saturday night. Out. Mad.